Hey, how are you today? Today we're at Chocolate World. We've come here today so we can check out the Halloween decorations and Halloween product merchandise. So I know I was just here a few days ago, according to like vlog posting time, whatever, but I needed to come back and see this because I was literally here the last day of summer, and it is now the first, like 3 or 4 days into the Halloween time, so I want to make sure that we see everything. I got my Reese's mask on today because it is orange, and I'm wearing my black shirt. This shirt is Millennium Falcon. This shirt is from Lake Buena Visitors. They are an apparel shop down in Florida and Orlando, and they have amazing shirts for everyday wear. They're Disney fun shirts, so link in the bio for them too. You definitely want to pick up a shirt from them if you're a Disney fan, Star Wars fan, whatever. Just fun shirts all around. All right, let's go check out and see what we got. This in green and purple is amazing. Okay, so it's closed now, but this is where the trick-or-treat trail will start in Chocolate World. As you can see, it's Saturdays and Sundays only. But I got some fun decorations up here. I like the spooky haunted house all lit up there. Nice, nice. Do not enter. Scary. This is right at the entrance to the Hershey's Unwrapped attraction. So I guess it will start here and then it'll float around. I don't know how it's going to work, but we'll have to come back on a Friday and Saturday and find out. Right out front we got the Halloween display. Check it out here. And then we'll look closer. Ooh. Got the Halloween glow in the dark shirt. Nice. Cookies and cream fangs. Yes. Pumpkin pie Kit Kats. Yes. Vampire kisses. Guys, I'm very excited about the Halloween candy this year. Franken cup with the green on the bottom. I'm gonna have to pick some stuff up. A little Halloween bag there, trick-or-treating. I'm loving these tombstone displays throughout the store. That's really fun. I think I need a picture with one. Love those. Okay, we're now checking out the world's largest candy store. Yeah, I got that right. I just want to make sure I look to see if there's any special offerings back in here, but I think most of the stuff is promoted out front. So everything back here is just the regular stuff. Oh, more Reese's. Okay, this is Halloween made easy. You can buy one of these, put it out. Has all the candies. 160 miniatures per container. Hassle free. Look at that. 20 bucks. I'm digging these displays. I mean, you got the buckets, candy, little treat bags. Hershey knows how to do it. And we definitely need to talk for a second about these costumes. Are you kidding me? So cute. Hershey miniature, Hershey kiss. What else we got? Hershey bar. And I could be a Reese's if I want to. Check out this center seasonal display. This haunted house. Nice. Definitely a selfie spot or photo spot for you. And all of this candy. Kiss trying to be a kiss cat. Spooky. Okay, so there are events here at Chocolate World. Halloween cookie decorating, that sounds fun. So that's weekend in October to the 1st of November. $8 per kit. Looks like a good time. Or you can come for trick-or-treat trail, and both, I guess. Lots of fun at Chocolate World for Halloween. Can we just take a second to talk about this? Kisses Vampire Milkshake? What? Do we have to get one? Pumpkin pie milkshake? Oh my gosh, it's tempting. All right, I'm doing it. I'm going for the Vampire Milkshake. How excited am I to try this? Okay, so she said it's a strawberry milkshake with dark chocolate drizzle inside and then chocolate whipped cream on top. Oh my gosh. Can I give you some kisses? Oh my gosh. Can you hear the Harry Potter music in the background? I love it. The vampire shake is delicious. Yummy. I also wanted to check out one of the kisses, the vampire kisses. They say vampire on a tag. Oh, I love it. Well, okay. They kind of taste like a strawberry cordial. Remember cherry cordials? They kind of taste like that, but with strawberry. I hope that's what they were going for. All right, that was definitely an amazing treat to have today. I'm glad I came out for that. I'm gonna go back inside just to make sure there isn't anything that I missed. And then on the way out, we're gonna go down to the new store down at Chocolate Town because I know they have separate merch down there. So we're gonna check that out too. So I wasn't expecting this at all, but I was about to get on the chocolate tour ride and I came up here and checked this out. It's all decorated. Look at it goes. In black light. I figured out why it's decorated. It's one of the stops on the candy cane trick-or-treat trail, so that's why there's like a desk over there and they have like a fog machine, but we'll have to come back on a weekend to get all that. Guys, it's the Kiss-mobile. So I wanted to come down here to Chocolate Town to see if there was anything different in the stores, but I mean, honestly, it looks kind of dead. So I don't know if the stores are open or not. We'll find out. I mean, I don't mind coming down and look. So the store's open, come on in. So we will. Okay, first find is this Hersheys Sweatshirt with a spider on it. Very appropriate for Hershey Park in the dark. I like that. More costumes. We got a Twizzler. Jolly Rancher. Picture of our dress. Mini peanut butter cup. Nice. Oh my goodness. Eat it up. More Hershey bars. That's funny. It's not Halloween merch, but there's this nice display of like fall themed items. With some hats and things, stuff like that. Well, if you're not feeling Halloween, you've got our Chocolate Town Christmas bulbs out. Love it. So that's all the merch that we could find at Chocolate World today. That's all the decorations that are out for Halloween right now. And I don't know, I'm a little disappointed that the Hershey Park Supply Company didn't have as much Halloween stuff. Most of it was at Chocolate World. But I mean, the sweatshirts were cool. I definitely like that orange one with the spider on it. So that's what we got today. We hope to get to Hershey Park in the dark soon. One of these weekends, I'd like to go in and spend the afternoon, early evening, ride some rides in the dark, good times. So lots going on in Hershey right now. This is the best time of the year for the candy, with the trick-or-treating. So make sure if you're in the area, stop by, check out Hershey Park in the dark, check out Chocolate World. All right, that's all we got for today. See you guys next time, thanks.